If Calvin cycles 3 kilometers, 287 meters from town A to town B, and then he cycles 5 kilometers, 905 meters from town B to town C, then you would, the question is how far does Calvin cycle in all. You're going to add up town A to town B, then town B to town C to get the answer. So you're going to do 3,287 plus 5,905 meters.
So if we go to the lowest, is there any that also have 50? No.
So 7 plus 5 is 12. So you're going to put the 2 down and then put the 1 up there. 8 plus 0 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So you're going to put down the 9. 2 plus 9 is 11. So you're going to put down the 1 and then carry the other one. And then 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 1 is 9. And that is how I got my answer to this question. If Mrs. Lim buys 135 kilograms of beans, she then divides them into 9 bags each week. The question is, what is the mass of beans in each bag? This is going to be your bar model. The total is 135 kilograms. You're going to figure out what's in each bag. So you're going to do 135 divided by 9. 9 puts in 135. It can 10 times. So 9 times 10 is 90. So you can subtract 135 minus 90, which is 45. 9 fits into 45 5 times. You put the 5 up top. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 minus 45 is 0. So the answer is 15. And that is how I got my answer to this question. Each bag of rice has a mass of 9 kilograms. Sarah buys 7 bags of rice altogether. The question is, find the total mass of rice she buys. This is going to be your bar model. You want to figure out what's the total. So you're going to do, since there's 7 bags of rice, then you're going to do, and there's 9, and the mass is 9 kilograms, so you're going to do 9 times 7, which equals 63. And that is how I got my answer to this question. If Boris loads 45 kilograms of meat into his van in the first hour, in the second hour he loads some more meat into his van. The total mass of meat is 98 kilograms. A. What is the mass of meat Boris loads in the second hour? B. How much more meat does Boris load in the second hour than the first hour? So this is going to be your bar model. This is the first hour, and this is the second. The total is 98. For A, you are going to do 98 minus 45. 8 minus 5 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. So that is the answer to number A. Number B, you're going to do 53 minus 45. You can't do 3 minus 5, so you're going to take a 10 from 5. So that changes into 4, and that's a 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. 4 minus 4 is 0. So the answer to B is 8 kilograms, and the answer to A is 53 kilograms. Jackie sells 26 liters of gas in the first hour. He sells 9 liters less gas in the second hour than the first hour. How much gas does Jackie sell in the second hour? B. How much gas did Jackie sell altogether? For A, you're going to do 26 minus 9 because the second hour is 9 less than the first hour. You can't do 6 minus 9, so you're going to take a 10 from the 2, which is now 1. And this is now 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. 1 minus 0 is 1. So the answer to number A is 17 liters. For the total of, for how much gas he sells altogether, you're going to add the first hour, 26 liters, and the second hour, 17 liters. 26 plus 17. 6 plus 7 is 13. So you're going to put down that 3 and carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 1 more is 4. So the answer to B is 43 liters. And that's how I got the answers to this question.